Good morning, Coffee Klatsch friends. It is Tuesday, December 10th. Thanks for joining me for Coffee Klatsch this morning. So, sorry, I lost half of the stuff that I was going to show you this morning, so I had to try to find things or at least pivot and get you what you need. So, I've got a cute little giftable for you today using the Sweetest Star stamp set. So, thank you for joining me. This is Sarah with Stinking Cute Cards, and we're going to flip you around and get you started. Good morning, Barb. All right, here we go. Close your eyes. We're going for a ride. All right, so this morning, this was one of the projects that we did for my Giftables class last week. And what I think, I have lots of kits left over. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to redesign this, work up a couple for little Giftables for like the dentist and different things like that I've got going on. But then I'm going to try to rework the extras for Valentine's Day and have them in my card buffet for the new year. And I found my die. Oh my goodness. I've been looking for this die. It's teeny tiny. I dropped it. So there was a gift this morning. Look at that. Okay. Anyways, I digress. So one of the things I was looking for was I literally just had the piece of paper that had the measurements on here and I can't find it. So we're going to recreate this for you. What I've got here is a piece of paper that's 2 1/4 by 10 3/4, right? And we are going to score it at 1/2 inch. Let's see, 1/2 inch. We're going to score it 1/2 inch. 1 3/4, 4 1/4, 6 1/2, 9 inches, and 10 1/4. Now, I will put those in the comments or on the blog post today so that you have those directions. So what we're going to do is we are going to make a really cute little Keurig K-cup holder using some of the products that we have. I didn't show you this, right? This is a new video. Everything is kind of blending together. I've kind of forgotten what's going on. So let's go ahead and fold these up. If we did, I'm sorry, we'll see it twice. And where is my bone folder? The key to some of these little Giftables is to make sure that you have nice, sharp, crisp folds. So this is 1/2 inch, 1 3/4. I think I said 4 1/4, right? And then 6 1/2. And then 10 1/4. So let's do that again. So 1/2, 1 3/4, 4 1/4, 6 1/2, 9, and 10 1/4. So, okay. So what it's going to be is like a little milk jug. So it's going to sit just like this, right? Ta-da! All right, so let's go ahead and decorate this up. I have a bunch of retired paper that I'm using. These are super cute. So we are going to put this one right here. And this one is going to go right here. So I had my last class for the season last night for 2024. I kind of feel like I've run a marathon. And I was kind of laughing. I literally have 27 buckets of projects that need to be finished up. I'm not exaggerating, 27 plus everything else that's going on. So it's going to be a busy couple of days. Okay. Now I got to find that other little piece. Where did it go? Not sure. Good thing I have extras. Let me grab that. Okay. All right, so then I have another little piece, and this is, let's see here, 2 3/4 by 2 1/4, and I scored at 1/4 inch on each side because this is what's going to hold your little K-cup. And I would probably use like a little bit of the sticky strip or the tear tape on this. We get this stuff in the paper pumpkins occasionally, and so I always hoard it because it's nice and sticky and it tears nice. Okay. Now, I did just emboss one of those little stars. Oh, hey, give me a second. I'm just on my video. I'll be right in the house. Okay, 2 seconds. Okay. Or the kitty thing. That's okay. So I've lost my little guy. I embossed a gingerbread for you. Crazy. It's been like literally one of those mornings. I thought I was going to be so prepared. Well, we can emboss it. Well, you know, it's fine. I'm going to put it together and then we'll just pretend that that's that. All right. So, I went to Aldi the other day and they have gingerbread K-cups, which are super cute, as well as the cinnamon sugar cookie. So either one would be great. So what I'm going to do is I am going to peel this off. And what I found worked the best is just to set it in my little cup and add it here and then go ahead and kiss the side, right? And then what I did was make sure it was even. And then if I just flatten it out, and then it'll be a cute little holder for my K-cup. Find yourself the crocodile if you still have it, or a punch of some sort. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to punch 2 holes here. Use your hand strength. And then go ahead and do another one here. You're going to knot a cute little ribbon on it like this. Add our little sweetest wishes right here. Right? Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. And you know, as soon as I, hit end, I will find my little gingerbread. Remember, there is a cute punch that goes with it. A little star punch that works really well. And emboss that little guy and then put that right on front, and then go ahead and embellish it with the little peppermint, the red and white peppermints. They should be back in stock before too long. So watch for that. Don't forget, today is free shipping. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow, free shipping on qualifying orders. So that's an option too. Let me know. And then let me show you, before I let you go, the collage that we did yesterday, the framed art. So this was my version. Oh, and guess what I found? Ha, 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 ha. Here we go. TD. I'll show you that in a second. So here he is. Super cute. Add our little peppermints. He is just darling. And these peppermints are so stinking cute. Right? I don't think that one has a... Yeah, it does. All right. Add that to the front. Add your ribbon and you're good to go. Super cute, hey? Just kind of fun little stocking stuffer. So let me show you my framed art though. This is what we worked on yesterday. This was my version. I gave everybody some options too. So isn't that fun? You could do a sled with the skates. I had a cute one with the little, Frozen, Snuggle Up and Hope for Snow. I'll probably show that as a card tomorrow. So this was my collage. So that's what I have, guys. Don't forget to check your stash, stock up on any products you need before the holidays. Winter is coming, so crafting season will be in full swing, and it's free shipping today and tomorrow. So thanks again, friends. We'll chat soon. Toodles.